friends, and welcome to Words Made Easy. And the word is adore. Adore is a verb. What does adore mean? Adore means to love someone very much, especially in a way that shows admiration and respect. Some of the synonyms of adore are admire, cherish, delight, fall for, and idealize. Let's use adore in some example sentences. He adores his mother. The doctor is a good doctor and his patients adore him very much. Everything about my mother is adorable. Now that we know the meaning, synonyms, and example sentences, let's take a look at the antonyms. Antonyms of adore are dislike, despise, and hate. You learned a new word, and the word is adore.